An elevator door opens, and a young woman steps inside. What happens next has haunted millions of viewers for over a decade. This is the story of Elisa Lam, and the chilling mystery that still remains unsolved. Elisa Lam was a 21-year-old Canadian student traveling alone through California in 2013. She checked into the infamous Cecil Hotel in downtown Los Angeles, a place known for crime, mysterious deaths, and even serial killers who once stayed there. On January 31st, Elisa was last seen alive on this elevator surveillance tape. At first, she presses several buttons, then hides in the corner, peeks outside, and appears to talk to someone who isn't there. When Elisa failed to return to her room, her family raised the alarm. Police searched the hotel, but strangely, the rooftop water tanks were not checked at first. Days turned into weeks, and guests began to notice something was very wrong. 2 weeks later, guests complained of low water pressure and strange-tasting tap water. When hotel staff climbed to the rooftop and opened the tank lid, they made a horrifying discovery. Elisa's body was floating inside. The official cause of death was ruled as accidental drowning, but the mystery remains. How did she access the locked rooftop? Why was the elevator acting so strangely? And was she really alone that night? To this day, Elisa Lam's final elevator ride remains one of the most disturbing mysteries ever caught on camera. Was it an accident, a crime, or something paranormal? The truth may never be known. Drop your theory in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe